Hi friends, this is Kalyani. Today we will discuss about graph traverser method. A graph traverser method means visiting all the nodes of a graph, visiting all the nodes of a graph. Graph traverser may be needed in many of application areas, and there may be many methods for visiting the vertices of a graph. Many graph algorithms require one to systematically examine the nodes and edges of a graph G. There are two standard ways that this is done: breadth first search, depth first search. Breadth first search, breadth first search. Next, depth, depth first search. Breadth first search. In general, breadth first search BFS can be used to find the shortest distance between some starting node and the remaining nodes of the graph. This shortest distance is the minimum number of edges traversed in order to travel from the start node to the specific node being examined. Starting at the node V. This distance is calculated by examining all the incident edges to node V and then moving on to an adjacent node W and repeating the process. The traverser continues until all the nodes in the graph have been examined. Naturally, we need to keep track of neighbors of a node, and we need to guarantee that no node is processed more than once. This is accomplished by using a queue to hold nodes that are waiting to be processed, and by using a field status which tells us the current status of any node. During the execution of our algorithm, each node capital N of G will be in one of the three states called the status of capital N as follows. First, the initial state of a node N. Next, the node N is one on the queue waiting to be processed. Status 3. The node capital N has been processed. Next, we will discuss about algorithm. This algorithm execute breadth first search. Breadth first search on a graph capital G beginning at a starting node capital A. Nodes to ready state. Put the starting node capital A in queue and change its status to the waiting state. Repeat steps 4 and 5 until queue is empty. Remove the front node capital N of a queue. Process capital N and change the status of capital N to processed state. Add to the rear of a queue all the neighbors of capital N that are in the steady state and change their status to the waiting state. Exit. The above algorithm will process only those nodes which are reachable from the starting node capital A. Suppose one wants to examine all the nodes in the graph, then the algorithm must be modified so that it begins again with another node that is still in the ready state. Next, depth first search. depth first search is an alternative to the breadth first search. The general idea behind a depth first search beginning at a starting node capital A is as follows. First we will examine the starting node capital A, then we will examine each node capital N along a path P which begins at capital A. That is, we process a neighbor of capital A, then a neighbor of capital A, and so on. After coming to the dead end, that is to the end of the path P, we backtrack on capital P until we can continue along another path capital P, and so on. The algorithm is very similar to the breadth first search, except now we use a stack instead of a queue. Again, field status is used to tell us the current status of a node. Next, algorithm. This algorithm executes depth first search on a graph capital G beginning at a starting node capital A, initialize all the nodes to the ready state, push the starting node capital A stack and change its status to the waiting state. Repeat steps 4 and 5 until stack is empty. Pop the top node capital N of a stack, process capital N and change its status to the processed. Push onto the stack all the neighbors of capital N that are still in the ready state and change their status to the waiting state. Next, exit. Have you understood? Have you understood the whole topic? There are two types of the graph traversal method. They are breadth first search, depth first search. The above algorithm will process only those nodes which are reachable from the starting node capital A. Suppose one wants to examine all the nodes in the capital G, then algorithm must be modified so that it begins again with another node that is still in the ready state. Have you understood? Have you understood the whole topic? Please subscribe my channel. Please like my channel. Please share my channel.